Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that's really important for anyone who works with multiple repositories on GitHub, how to ignore them easily. If you're a developer, contributor, or maintainer of open source projects, chances are you've encountered situations where you need to temporarily or permanently ignore certain repositories on GitHub. Maybe you're working on a specific project and don't want to see notifications from other repos. Or perhaps you forked a repository, but don't care about the original repo's update. Whatever your reason, ignoring multiple repos can be a real pain if you don't know the right techniques. That's why we're here today, to share with you some simple yet effective ways to ignore multiple repositories on GitHub. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use GitHub's built-in features and some clever workarounds to keep your workflow organized and distraction-free. So, let's dive right in. The first method we're going to cover is using GitHub's built-in watch feature. You see, when you visit a repository on GitHub, you're automatically set up as a watcher. This means that any new issues, pull requests, or comments will trigger notifications for you. However, you can easily toggle this off by clicking the Unwatch button. Now, what if you want to ignore multiple repositories? At once, that's where the Ignore feature comes in. GitHub allows you to ignore specific repositories, which means that any activity happening within those repos won't trigger notifications for you. To do this, simply navigate to the repository you want to ignore, click on the three dots next to the repository name, and select Edit. Then, scroll down to the Notifications section and toggle off the participating option. But here's the thing. What if you need to ignore multiple repositories that belong to a specific organization or user? That's where things can get tricky. In this case, you can use GitHub's advanced search feature to find all the repositories belonging to that organization or user, and then bulk edit their notification setting. Simply type in the organization or username, followed by its public or its private if they're private repos, and GitHub will return a list of matching repositories. So, to recap, we've covered two main methods for ignoring multiple repositories on GitHub, using the watch feature to toggle off notifications for specific repositories, utilizing the Ignore feature to ignore entire repositories, employing advanced search techniques to find and bulk edit notification settings for multiple repositories. Remember, these methods can save you a ton of time and distractions when working with multiple repositories on GitHub. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more GitHub tips and tricks. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. What are some other ways you've used to ignore multiple repositories on GitHub? Share your experiences with us. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you all in the next video.